Hi, good day. I'm Justin Inular from Quezon City, Philippines. Today, I'm gonna demonstrate to you on how to sharpen this knife using a sharpening steel. And first, we will place this sharpening steel in 40 to 45 degrees, or what we call freehand. And from heel to tip, we will sharpen this knife, and I will repeat the motion 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And when I will sharpen again the other side of the knife. 1, 2, 3. And now we will test this knife if it's effective for cutting. As you can see, the knife is effective. That's all. Thank you.